Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the English class. Today in English, we will do the chapter Food for Thought. Children, this chapter is all based on burgers, which results in obesity. So, the theme of this chapter is Gory Burgers for Obesity. Children, here gory word means unhygienic material and animal's flesh which results in obesity. Obesity means overweight due to excessive fat. Concerned about the rapid growth of obesity among children, the UK government has decided to put posters showing gory images of burger rolls filled with bones and gristles all across the country as a part of Food for Thought campaign to shock children into improving their diets and help fight obesity. As we all know that burgers are not healthy for eating. So in foreign countries, children used to eat burgers and especially they eat gory burgers. Children, gory means unhygienic material and they include animals' flesh. They include animals' bones and as well as animals' flesh. As the government was very concerned about the growth rate of obesity among the children that was increasing day by day, so the government decided to put posters which shows gory images of burgers. They have made some posters which students will see and they will create awareness among themselves. They have shown the gory images of burgers which are filled with bones and gristles. Children, here bones means animals' bones and here gristles means animals' flesh. The burgers include all the unhygienic material and non-veg material all across the country as a part of Food for Thought campaign. They have put the posters all across the country so that children can be more aware about the growing situation. They just want to control the situation in every manner. Campaign to shock children into improving their diets and help fight obesity. They have put posters and they have started a campaign, means they started that this should be converted into publicity manner. Everyone should come to know, and so that children should be aware about this. So that their diet can be improved, they should eat healthy food and they should reduce their obesity. The British Heart Foundation's posters show common ingredients found in many burgers, chicken nuggets, and hot dogs to create an awakening among kids about fatty foods which are harmful for their health. So, here the British Heart Foundations is an NGO, non-governmental organization. They showed posters which include